What is phi in the Fibonacci sequence? Phi is the name for the symbol representing the golden ratio. The symbol for phi is... The equation for phi is the square root of 5 plus 1 over 2. In the example of a line, the golden ratio is found when you divide the line segment in a specific way. When the line is segmented this way, the golden ratio is found by dividing the different segments of the line. Start with the equations for phi. Then cross-multiply. Get all the numbers on one side of the equation. Take the coefficients from the variables. Then use the quadratic formula. Remember to use the coefficients from the variables. Next, substitute the coefficients into the quadratic formula. When you simplify the equation, you get the equation for phi. These equations show how the golden ratio is found in a line segment. The Fibonacci sequence is a pattern of numbers where the next number is the sum of the two numbers before it. It begins like this. When two successive Fibonacci numbers are divided by each other, their ratio is very close to the golden ratio, aka phi. The greater the pair of Fibonacci numbers, the closer the approximation to the golden ratio. Let's take two successive Fibonacci numbers. Now let's take two greater Fibonacci numbers. As we increased the numbers in the Fibonacci sequence and found their ratio, we got a closer approximation to phi.
In terms of applications, Fibonacci numbers appear in nature surprisingly often. The number of petals on a flower is typically a Fibonacci number, or the number of spirals on a sunflower or a pineapple tends to be a Fibonacci number as well.
Plants form the golden ratio with their petals because they must have a round shape with no gaps, so the new leaves don't block the sun from older leaves, and so that the maximum amount of rain or dew gets directed down to the roots.